The Chery Automobile Super 2 factory, situated in Wuhu City, Anhui Province, stands as a beacon of innovation in the automotive manufacturing sector. Chery continues to take proactive steps to upgrade its manufacturing capabilities. After the successful collaboration in the Chery Super 1 factory, the introduction of 69 Lynx U1000s and from ForwardX Robotics in its Super 2 factory marks another significant milestone. Within the facility, AMRs carry empty racks, navigates to the material distribution area, and waits there for workers to pick materials according to indicator lights, ensuring accurate picking. Subsequently, the AMR delivers the loaded material rack to the line side and automatically unloads it. After completing material distribution, it mounts the empty rack and returns to the empty rack recovery point. ForwardX's AMR scheduling system coordinates the entire delivery rhythm, meeting SPS material handling, ensuring precise material delivery. The integration of ForwardX's AMRs into Chery's manufacturing operations brings numerous benefits, streamlining material handling processes and enhancing operational efficiency, reducing labor costs, and improving overall productivity. With a focus on continuous improvement and technological advancement, Chery remains committed to leading the charge in automotive manufacturing innovation.